And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. For my roasted tomatoes, I'm going to use Roma tomatoes. I'm going to have about 2-3 teeth of garlic, some salt, ground black pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. Using the proper knife, let's say I'm going to cut it in quarters. And then I'm going to transfer them, let me cut this, to this container. And some of them I'm just going to cut them in rounds. It's your choice. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Add your salt, just a little bit. Your pepper. Some of your thyme. This one is fresh, by the way. Come the garlic. Mix it up. Mix this up. Now I'm going to transfer them to the griddle. This is cast iron, by the way. Make sure the soft part of the tomato is facing up. Except here, because this is the same. Don't use no aluminum paper, don't use any parchment paper. You want the thing to heat up. Have the oven somewhere between 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's preheating right now. And you put them in once you locate it there. Here. Put it in the oven, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is going to take several minutes, maybe about 20-30 minutes. But you have to wash it. 30 minutes later, here we have them.